Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I will be discussing about job post specifically from Wipro. Let us discuss which are those 6 jobs. The first job post is which is a product testing engineer. The first post is product test engineer. Basically, this job is in Bangalore, and the requisition number is this number. If you wanted to apply for this job, you can go to this link and you can search for this job ID, then you can apply. The main job descriptions for this job is, especially they are looking for people who have experience in enterprise applications, web and mobile testing, API testing, DB testing, and these are the very basic functionality the person should know. And also the resources should have a very much mandatory skills for web testing, mobile testing, API testing using Postman and DB validation. And also some of the skills which are good to have is agile delivery methodology, HPALM, quality center, Jira, and application testing. So some of the core roles and responsibilities also they are given here. So where you should be able to manage and mentoring a team of QA members through agile delivery methodologies, and is a single point of contact for all the QA aspects of releases, and you will be reporting all the defects with a detailed and accurate concise step to the reproduce in the ALM and Jira. And he also be assisting the developers in discovering and researching defects, drive all the testing efforts, responsible for developing, implementing, maintaining the automation, test plan, test strategies, test scenarios, test cases. You should be able to review the system specification, as well as you should be able to execute, able to do all the day-to-day activities as a testing member. Being a senior testing member, you should be able to put a test strategy, review the test plan, traceability matrix, and tool optimization, and so on. So these are the some of the job description for this product test engineering role. If you are also interested to apply for this job, you can go to this link and you can search for this job ID. You can definitely go and apply for this job. The next job here is Windows Platform Test Automation Lead. The second job post is Windows Platform Test Automation Lead. Basically, this job is based out from the Kochi, India, which is Kerala. And the job description ID here is this one. The experience required for this role here is with minimum 5 to 8 years of experience, and this is more of a L3 support automation, which is the lead. You should be able to manage the small team of analysts, developers, testers, engineers, and drive the delivery of small modules within a project. Either it could be delivery, maintenance, and testing. So you may also serve as a entry level specialist with a expertise in a particular technology, industry domain, a process, application, or a product. You are responsible for functional and technical talk of the project. So this is based out from the Kerala, Kochi, and if you are interested to apply for this job, you can apply again using this link by providing this job ID. The third job post is OSS Application Test Lead. This job is located in Greater Noida, India, and job ID is this. If you are interested to apply for this job in Wipro, definitely you can use this job ID and you can apply using this link. And again, some of the job description for this role here is you should be having experience in OSS application testing, L3 support, which is very much mandatory, and you should have a project management skills like reporting, report generation, PPT creations, all those things. And basically in this role there will be a shift will be there from 4 p.m. to 12:30 a.m. you should be able to work, and being a automation lead you should be able to manage around 14 members team. And the overall things which is they're expecting from the testing lead able to manage the small group of analysts, developers, tester, engineers, and so on. And you should be able to do all these things. Then only you can go and apply for this OSS application test lead. And the location of this job is in Greater Noida. Then let us move on to the post number 4. The post number 4, which is behavioral driven development testing engineer. So this job is located in Bangalore, and the job ID for this is this one. You can apply using this job ID in this location. The job description for this fourth job here is you should have a good exposure in behavioral driven development testing. Again, it is also L3 mandatory, and you should have a good exposure for Selenium L3, and you should also have a good exposure in working on telecom service providers. Again, this is L3. So being a senior test engineer, you should be able to devise the test strategy, test plan, traceability matrix, and any other tool optimization. You should have good exposure in this area, and also you should have a capability of handling the test environment, designing the test cases, defect reporting, formatting, and managing the team. Again, you should be able to capture as much as information related to the project, and you should be able to report back to the all the stakeholders. That is the key job description for this role. If you are also interested to work in Bangalore, and if you are looking to apply for this BDD, behavioral driven development testing role, then you can definitely apply using this job ID using this link. Then we will move on to the sixth job post, which is the last job post in this video. The job title is Senior Software Test Engineer. Senior Software Test Engineer. Again, this job is located in Bangalore, and job ID for this role here is this one. You can use this job ID for applying in Wipro Technologies. Job description for this role here is you should be able to test and automate various web-based products on the domain, including accounting you should be able to handle, telecom you should be able to handle, SCM, HRO, and others. And you should be able to understand the business documents. You should be able to write test scenarios, test cases, functional testing. You should be able to automate the test scenarios. You should be able to raise the defects, reproduce the issues, resolve the bugs, work in team collaboration. You should be able to work as a team, and you should be able to deliver things on time with a good time pressure and attention to detail. These are the some of the core skill you should know in order to apply for this role, and you should have a minimum 3 to 5 years of experience, and also you should be well versed in agile testing methodologies, and you should be well versed in Selenium and other automation tools. These are the some of the very much required skills they're expecting. You should be good in testing, good in automation, you should have a good object-oriented programming and core Java, and also you should have a good exposure in Selenium WebDriver or APM. And you should have a good exposure in bringing test automation development as well as maintaining it. So if you wanted to apply for this job, you can use this job ID, and you can use the same link where you can apply for this job. I hope this video was very useful for you. In this video I have covered different testing job. If you really like this video, then please give a thumbs up to this video. If you guys are not subscribed, then please subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.